I'm 36 years old, so I was in the entertainment industry. And when I say that, I mean, I bartended for years. I did big events for John Carroll, OLV. You know, we were on our feet. I did Barbers Motorsports. I was outside on the cement, catering. You know, I waited tables before that. Then I was in college. You're walking the campus at UAB. You know, you're a mother. Like, you're living life. You're on the go. You can't slow down. You know, it's like mini New York mindset, and your legs are failing you. So I messaged Dr. Hassan. I said, Dr. Hassan, I do not know the medical jargon for the procedures. Can you please take them to me? Because if I can ask this question, all I can say is, and I posed, the sexy leg surgery. But he left me a text, which gets down the road to the questions of how well he communicates, which is huge in something like this. And it was, I hope I'm going to say this right, venous ablation. Okay, I hope I said that correct. And microflebectomy. Oh my gosh, I love the staff, first off. Like, and it was pumpkin season, and I was delivering pumpkins, and it was just, you know, it was perfect. But I meet the staff, and we've already went through all my, like, what's going to happen. I've had the sonogram on my legs. I'm back for like maybe week 3 to get it going. Like, it's time to get the process going. And I'm scared. I mean, you know, I'm a big girl, but I'm still scared. And I've been explained this procedure in depth, which was critical for me. I want to know what is happening to my body. I was explained it so in depth that it took what was fear. It was now knowledge, but I was comfortable. So now I could take like this knowledge, but know that this was still going to happen. And so it was almost like, you know, I'm watching myself go through this. That's scary, but I'm protected and I'm saving the energy from the staff. So I get back there, they get me on the table, and, you know, Dr. Hassan's going in my legs. They've numbed me. He's going in my legs. I'm laid back. I'm doing my breathing exercises I've taught myself so that I can relax to help him. And the music's going in the background, and it's like this, you know, Olive Garden, sweet ambient, like it just perfect for people who need that calm energy. I do not. I look at Dr. Hassan, okay, and it's too calm. And I'm gonna do his voice, not making fun of him, just because I hear it in my dreams. Like, I love it. And I look over at Dr. Hassan and I said, I can't take listening to this soft music. And he says, but are you comfortable? I said, I am, but I'd be a lot more comfortable if you change the music. Now, it's perfect music. It's a serene environment. He says to me, this is what he says. He goes, Santana, do you want me to play you some Carlos Santana? And I said, yes. And he put Carlos Santana, classic rock. Do you know what that did? Because that was like my first, because it was a long road. And he customized this experience for me. So, but you felt comfortable enough to ask for that. Like, when I tell you the comfort level is incredible with him, and then he creates what comfort you need so that you can move through this. And every time I'd ask him, what's next week? He'd give me a little preparation so you're prepared for these, because some of these procedures are step by step and it's different stuff. You know, he talked me through everything he did. I mean, when I tell you that that, and I'm looking at my notes because that falls into like the recovery experience. You know, it all went together. I had the COVID. I was able to call him immediately. I believe it was 9:00 at night. I am telling you, the entire staff, Dr. Hassan's something else. I think he's an angel. I don't think he's real. I don't know. I'm telling you, he's an angel. The hardest part of everything, no probing, no poking, no getting it set up, like the hardest part is making yourself mentally wear your stockings after Dr. Hassan performs the magic. You know, I had to wait X amount of time before my wrapping, and you want to keep it wrapped. So, you know, you don't want to get that wet. So that might be the only kind of setback that people who are a little older than me may need some help. You know, I'm trying to think too, from a mindset of when I had to move myself in and out of my tub, you know, and I started thinking about kind of things like that that may need to be thought about at home when you're trying to heal from this procedure. Because for me, physically, I was well to get in and get out, but I mean, that's it. Those are your concerns, which have nothing to do with your healing and getting this done and getting on to your new life. Those are easy concerns. Wear your stockings and, hire you a cute pool boy to help you get in and out of the tub. Like, what I want people to know is, like, you think you need to go and try all these, maybe these oral ways to fix this, or like a quick fix, and it can't be a quick fix. This was a roadmap